Today, on the third day of our Novenas, we are focusing on the Basilica of Our Lady of the Mount Bandra. For over 100 years, situated atop a hillock near Land's End, Bandra, overlooking the Arabian Sea, is Mount Mary's Basilica, a beautiful edifice in stone that simply stands out in its grandeur, an abode of tranquility, peace, reassurance, and hope. Mount Mary's affectionately beckons one and all. Once inside this beautiful basilica, even one single glance at Mary with the child Jesus is a feast for the eye, both natural and that of faith. The Basilica of Our Lady of the Mount, also known as Mount Mary Church in Bandra, draws thousands of devotees and pilgrims each year, especially during the annual feast of the Nativity in September. The week-long fair that follows the feast, known as the Bandra Fair, is also a popular attraction, with some estimating that it draws around 10 lakh people each year. It is an 8-day-long event to celebrate the birth of the Blessed Virgin Mary. The fair is believed to be 300 years old. The fair usually starts on the 8th of September, and the church hosts a feast called the Feast of Nativity on this day. The fair includes a special mass that draws devotees from all over the state, and more than 80% of these attendees are from different faiths. After the fair is concluded, a novena to Mary is prayed for 9 days in the church, which makes it a 17-day-long event. Some visitors come to the church to intercede to Our Lady, and the others offer wax dolls of what they want, such as a house or a car. Some also offer a wax doll of an affected body part to ask for healing if suffering from injuries or diseases. The church is also a popular destination for people of all faiths, including locals, travelers, pilgrims, and members of the film industry. All those who are in need of divine grace and those who are troubled with the problems of daily life come to pray at the shrine of Mary. The belief that Mother Mary never leaves no one unaided is strong, and this belief leads thousands of pilgrims to the Basilica of the Mount. Let us now put our focus on the sacrifice of the Holy Mass. May Our Lady of the Mount pray for us all.